Welcome to you in 7th lecture of some basic concepts of chemistry. There today's very important topic, mole concept. Clear? And their subtopics of mole concept are Avogadro's number, molar mass, molar volume and Loschmidt number. मोल कॉन्सेप्ट हम लोग सबसे पहले पहुंचते हैं उसमें फर्स्ट थिंग है व्हाट इज द मोल हाउ यू डिफाइन द टर्म वन मोल मोल क्लियर you know it is the seventh fundamental unit of SI system. It is seventh fundamental unit of substance used for measurement of amount of substances. ठीक है ना? Amount of a substance. Clear? There are substances taken really for the microscopic particles. Microscopic particles like atom, molecules, electrons. उनके अमाउंट को हम लोग कैसे शो करेंगे उनके लिए यूज किया जाता है मोल. How you define the term one mole? One mole कितना अमाउंट है वो देखते हैं. How much amount is in one mole? So, what is one mole? How you define the term one mole? Clear? You know, really one mole is the amount of a substance which contain as many particles or entities. These entities or particles may be atom, molecule, ion or subatomic particles which are freely present in the substance. That may be molecule, atom or ions or subatomic particles like electrons, proton, etc. As there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of the isotope carbon 12. Clear? Yeah. इसकी SI's definition है. It is the SI definition of one mole. That is, one mole is the amount of a substance which contains as many particles or entities. These particles are macroscopic particles like molecules, atoms or subatoms, etc. ठीक है ना? Which are equal to number of atoms present in 12 gram of an isotope of carbon 12. तो सबसे पहले हम लोगों को ये देखना होगा how many number of atoms are present in 12 gram of carbon which is equal to 1 mole. So they are really, first you find number of atoms of carbon in its isotope carbon 12. It is equal to 12 gram. मैंने कहा था ना 12 gram is taken of this isotope. Clear? And their mass of one carbon atom. It is equal to 12 upon 1.99 10 to power minus 23. मोल ये एक्चुअली में ये हमारा एक मोल के इक्वल था 12 ग्राम. क्लियर? और ये मास ऑफ वन कार्बन एटम इज टेकन. क्लियर? सो देयर इट इज equal to 6.02 2 into 10 to power 23 atoms of carbon per mole. ठीक? These atoms of carbon 12. This number is said to be Avogadro's number. ठीक? In the honor of Amedeo Avogadro. It is not calculated by Avogadro. It is really calculated by Loschmidt. ठीक? Who was a student of Avogadro. In the honor of Amedeo Avogadro, this number is said to be Avogadro's number. This number is called Avogadro's number and denoted by Na. So Na is equal to 6.022 10 to power 23 particles per mole. Particles per mole in a substance. Their particle is general word here. Hence particle is general word. Particles may be molecule, atom, ions or subatomic particles which are freely present in the substance. Clear? So particle means they are maybe molecule, maybe atoms, maybe ions, maybe electrons, maybe protons and so on. जिस तरह का substance होगा उसी के बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे. So in other words we can say one mole is equal to amount of 6.02 to 10 to power 23 particles of a substance. हम लोग इस प्रकार के भी इसको शॉर्टली डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? Now shortly, suppose given 1 mole aluminium, 1 mole aluminium, it means Na atoms of aluminium, that is 6.022 10 to power 23 atoms of aluminium. So 1 mole aluminium means an A atoms of aluminium. Na is Avogadro's number. This is equal to 6.0. Aluminium का atom है इसलिए कहा गया. Suppose given 1 mole H2O. H2O is a molecule. So we say Na molecules of H2O or 1 mole 6.022 10 to power 23 molecules of H2O. ने कहा ना एटम है तो एटम की बात करेंगे, देयर एटम्स हो जाएंगे. H2 is a molecule, so we take the word molecule in the place of particle. Suppose given 1 mole magnesium ion, that means the 6.022 23 ions of magnesium plus 2, or with this word, this is replaced by Na, ions of. Clear? It is the meaning of this. Now the word molar mass. You know what is the molar mass? Really, mass of 1 mole of a substance is called its molar mass. In the case of molecules, it is called molecular mass or molecular weight. In the case of atoms, it is called atomic mass. In the case of ions, it is called ion mass. So molar mass is mostly capital M से लिखते हैं, that is gram mass of 1 mole of a substance is called its molar mass. Molar mass. For example, you know, for H2O, what is the molecular weight? ध्यान देखें, molar mass may be molecular mass, may be atomic mass, may be ion mass. For H2O, you know, molecular weight is 2 into 1 plus 16 is equal to 18 gram. This 18 gram, its molar mass, it represents 1 mole. That means 1 mole H2O means 18 gram H2O. It represents its molar mass. In other words, we can say 6.022 10 to power 23 molecules of H2O. So 18 gram H2O means it is mass of 6.022 into 10 to power 23 molecules of H2O. Clear? ये आपका यहाँ पर कैलकुलेट करके हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे. अब यहां से निकालना आपको हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. क्लियर? नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस. देखिए, इतने मॉलिक्यूल्स का इतना मास, तो एक मॉलिक्यूल का कितना होगा मास? 18 अपॉन दिस. तो दिट विल बी मोलर मास अपॉन अवोगाद्रोस नंबर. यानी H2O के लिए 1 मॉलिक्यूल H2O का मास कितना हो जाएगा? 18 अपॉन 6.02 to 10 to power 20. इस प्रकार से हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे. इट कम्स इन द ग्राम्स. How you calculate number of moles in a substance? The number of moles in a substance generally represented by a small n. So the small n is equal to molar mass. Sorry, gram mass or molar mass. By another formula, number of particles upon Avogadro's number. Clear? Normally it is represented by W upon molar mass by capital M, और फ्रॉम देयर नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स अपॉन Na। शॉर्टली इस फॉर्मूले से ये रिप्रेजेंट किए जाते हैं। आपको किसी भी सब्सटेंस का ग्राम मास गिवन है, मोलर मास फाइंड करिए और फाइंड कर लीजिए नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कितने। बिजी है, केवल नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स गिवन है, उसको अवोगाड्रो उस नंबर से डिवाइड करें। Now take another word, molar volume. You know what is this? It is for only the gaseous substance. Clear? Really, volume of a gaseous substance. Gaseous substance means like hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, ammonia gas, carbon dioxide, taken a gaseous product, gaseous substance. Volume of a gaseous substance of its 1 mole at STP. Clear? Earlier name is NTP. NTP is 22.4 liter, or you can say 2400 milliliter or 22400 cc. cc means क्यूब सेंटीमीटर। ये फैक्ट है, किसी भी गैसियस सब्सटेंस के 1 मोल का, ठीक है ना, इट्स 1 मोल। सी 1 मोल का एसटीपी पर वॉल्यूम 22.4 लीटर होता है। चाहे वो हाइड्रोजन गैस हो, मे बी ऑक्सीजन गैस, यू टेक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस, यू टेक एनी गैस। क्लियर? बट फॉर इट्स 1 मोल at STP always will be volume 22.4 liter, and this volume is called molar volume. This volume is called molar volume. Clear? So molar volume is really 22.4 liter per mole of a gas, or you can say 22400 milliliter or 22400 cube centimeter. That means centimeter per cube. अब इस बात को हम लोग शॉर्टली समझ लेते हैं। We take suppose 1 mole CO2 gas, you know, carbon dioxide gas. You find molar mass for carbon, you know, 12, for oxygen 16, 16 to the 32, it comes 44 gram. And you know, 1 mole represents its molar mass. That is, molar mass represents 1 mole. So 1 mole CO2 means 44 gram CO2 gas. Clear? Yeah. And its volume will be 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter CO2 at STP. क्योंकि यह तो आपका 1 मोल को शो कर रहा है, और 1 मोल का वॉल्यूम कितना CO2? 22.4 लीटर। मींस 44 ग्राम CO2 gas, 22.4 liter CO2 gas, both have same meaning, and it has 6.022 10 to power 23 molecules of CO2. There are 4 statements are given and all are equivalent. एक यहाँ वर्ड आया है STP. You know full name of STP is Standard temperature and pressure. Their earlier name is normal temperature pressure, NTP. At this condition STP, pressure is always taken 1 atmospheric pressure. 1 atm pressure is taken. And the temperature is taken 273 Kelvin. Clear? Yeah. Now we go another topic. Low-Schmidt number. He was a student of Amedeo Avogadro. इन्होंने Avogadro's नंबर को कैलकुलेट किया, ठीक? बट अपने जो इनके टीचर थे Avogadro, उनके ऑनर में उसको नाम दिया Avogadro's नंबर. Low-Schmidt नंबर क्या है? Clear, number of gas molecules per mole in 1 cube centimeter at STP. It is represented by L. कितना हो जाएगा आपका ये? Equal to Avogadro's number, that is 6.022 10 to power 23. एक मोल में कहा गया है पर मोल. क्लियर? और पर मोल का कि 1 क्यूब सेंटीमीटर का वॉल्यूम लेना है. You know, volume of 1 mole is 22400 cube centimeter. So you divide by 22400. Clear? It will be number of gas molecules in 1 cube centimeter. It comes 2.69 10 to power 19 molecules per cube centimeter. This number is called Low-Schmidt number. Now we take some common examples. The question: find number of moles in 1.6 gram oxygen gas. Oxygen gas means dioxygen. How you calculate it? First you find its molar mass. You solve to it. Molar mass. Molar mass. Oxygen gas का formula क्या? Dioxygen, that is O2. You know, mass of one oxygen atom is 16 to the 32 gram. So their number of moles, that is small n is equal to W upon M. W is the given gram mass, 1.6 upon molar mass is 32. Clear? कितना आपका आ गया ये? 1 upon 20. वन अपॉन 20. क्लियर? डिवाइड करके कैलकुलेट कर लें. ये नंबर ऑफ मोल्स आपको कैलकुलेट. Now in the same way we go another question. Find number of moles of a substance in a sample of it which contains its 3.011 into 10 to power 25 particles. Another question, कोई सब्सटेंस है, उसका एग्जाम्पल गिवन है जिसमें उसके नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स कितने हैं 3.011 into 10 to power 25. Find it, their number of moles. You know, number of moles is equal to कितना था आपका n upon Na, where n is the number of particles present, that is 3.011 into 10 to power 25. Clear? Upon Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 to power 23. Clearly you divide it to this. It is just double of it. It comes 1 upon 2 into 10 to power 2. That is 100 upon 2. That is 50 particles are present. Now we go another question. Find volume of 5.1 gram of ammonia gas at STP. First you find molar mass. Molar mass of ammonia. For nitrogen, you know, atomic mass is 14. For hydrogen 1, it comes 17 gram. You find number of moles. Number of moles क्या था? Gram weight upon molar mass. Gram weight is given 5.1 upon 70. How many numbers more moles? They are 0.3 moles. Now you find volume. You know, volume of 1 mole is 22.4 liter and you have 0.3 moles. So you multiply their number of moles, 22.4 liter. It comes 0.3 into 22.4 liter. You multiply to it. यदि आपसे सेंटीमीटर में पूछा जाए, क्यूब सेंटीमीटर में या मिलीलीटर में, then you multiply 22400. क्लियर? तो ये मैंने कुछ आपको एप्लीकेशंस बताए, न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करने की कुछ आपके मोड्स बताए मैंने, ठीक? आप न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करें अपनी बुक में, देखें आप एनसीईआरटी बुक में, अपनी हल बुक में, ठीक? और न्यूमेरिकल्स के साथ आप एंजॉय करें और सीखें मोल कॉन्सेप्ट. शेयर करें, लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और वेट करें फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.